Kucherov picks it up again, swings it to the doorstep. Hagel in front of point, back door, they score! Steven Stamkos!
And this is the puck possession they wanted to create. Stamkos gets the early look. Point with the puck retrieval. Another look across by Kucherov, and they stay at it. Look at all of this pressure. This time it's Hagel with the poise, the patience, and look at
Kucherov keeps the handle, shielding, passing, shot, score! Stamkos!
Stamkos has the crowd on their feet. Look at the dish across to Dumba. A little spin move for the first chance, and it's Kucherov with the puck retrieval. Despite the pressure, he finds the seam to get it across for Stamkos. He still has one of the most dangerous shots in the game, and his 5th goal of this series.